Hello, my name is Michael Dugan, and this is the 5th installment of my Unit 3 review videos. And today we are solving 5x squared minus 2x plus 4. So using our AC method, I would multiply 5 by 4 and get 20. And getting positive 20 and picking two numbers that would multiply out to positive 20 using our AC method would, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, my name is Michael Dugan, and this is my 5th installment of my Unit 3 review. Right now I'm solving problem 5J. So I can see that we have a quadratic equal to 0. But what I also noticed about this equation is that when I multiply 5 times 4 using our AC method, I get 20. But our number in the middle is negative, and there's no two numbers that would result in a negative number that could end up as a positive 20. So I know that our answer is going to be an imaginary number, or at least one of them. So what I need to do now, in order to figure out what those imaginary numbers will be, is use the quadratic formula. In case you need a refresher on what the quadratic formula is, it is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if I plug the numbers that we have in this equation into the quadratic formula, we get 4, because that's negative 1 times negative 2. Sorry, not 4. 2, negative 2 times negative 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared. Negative 2 squared is 4, and then minus 4a, which is 5, c, which is 4, all over 2 times a. A is 5, so that's all over 10. So the first thing that you're supposed to solve when you're doing the quadratic formula is what's inside of your radical. So what's inside of my radical, first I'm going to multiply out my terms. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 5 is 80. So I get the square root of 4 minus 80. That's the square root of negative 76. That is a I. So we are going to pull our i's out, put an I out here, 76. 76 is factorable into 4 and 19. And so we'll pull out our 4 into a 2i with a radical 19. So now we are out of our radical. We have 2 plus or minus 2i radical 19 all over 10. From here, the next step is to simplify. We can divide everything in this equation by 2. We get 1 plus or minus I radical 19 all over 5. And the plus or minus gives us the two answers to our equation, which would be 1 plus I radical 19 over 5 and 1 minus I radical 19 over 5, which are our two x values.